Maldonado. Jesus Angel Maldonado.
Okay, because we have two Maldonados. Got it.
Yes.
Everybody's saying they got two Maldonados.
All right, we're back on YouTube. All right, so terroristic threat. Who's the attorney for this one?
Brandon Jackson.
What's that?
No, it's
Romeo.
Irina Costa.
Yep, Romeo.
I'm here, Judge.
Hey, good morning. Do you have a video, Ms. Acosta? Ms. Acosta, can you hear us? Did you log on?
Yes, Judge, I'm here. Sorry about that.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's see. We've got a terroristic threat. Is that a Class A or Class B?
It's a Class B, Judge.
B as in boy. Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right. So we're on YouTube Live. We're going to get started here in a minute. And then Mr. Maldonado.
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
go over the paperwork that you did with Ms. Acosta. And I'm going to ask you some very basic questions about it. There's no trick questions here, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, let's look at all the parties. So here we go. Court call State of Texas versus Jesus Angel Maldonado Jr. This is 2025 CC 017836. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings on YouTube so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court of Law number 4. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Talia Trish for the state.
Irina Costa for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Jesus Maldonado charged by information with the offense of terroristic threat causing fear of serious bodily injury? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir. I am, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference, and I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir. That's mine.
By signing this document, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that we normally do pleas live in an open court, but that you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir. I did.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir. I did.
Approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Sir, I'm scrolling down to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's a 2-page document. And on page 2 is a signature. I'm using my cursor to circle around this
Yes,
signature.
sir.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Get out of share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you are telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. And state, can you tell me what the agreement is?
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 117 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and he does have at least 117 days.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
And then Mr. Maldonado, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I do not have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
Your Honor, no, there was a competency hearing, but aside from that, there haven't been any other motions.
Thank you. If I do not follow the plea bargain, I will allow you to withdraw the plea and we will proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that? And I'm talking to you, Mr. Maldonado.
Oh, yes, sir, I do. Yes, sir, I do.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual and rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do.
Do you believe that he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes.
Do you believe that he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Well,
Your Honor, on the
Yes, ma'am.
paperwork, it says no contest. We had
no
discussed
contest.
him
No
pleading
contest. No contest.
All right, I'll take a no contest plea. Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes.
Other than your plea bargain. Did anyone
Yes.
promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir. No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, yes. No contest. Yes.
I find the plea is freely, intelligently, voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea. I find him guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
There being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, I sentence you to 117 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's
Thank
a $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent. And this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and we'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing
Your
from the
Honor.
state.
Well, thank you.
The matter is concluded. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your Honor, with respect to another case on today's docket, the very last one was a recall from yesterday. The state has tendered a motion to dismiss, and it should be on your screen.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Trish, is this on Christina Perales?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Have it right now. I'm pulling it up.
Judge Attorney Tejerina needs to make an announcement.
All right, go ahead.
Judge, we'd like to see if we can just get a continuance till tomorrow to try to get this case dismissed in the local county court.
What's the issue? What's going on?
We're just going to go to I'd like to go to the county court here, county court 11, to see if we can't get this case dismissed. Otherwise, we're ready to take a plea tomorrow, if that's possible.
I mean, have you made arrangements to have them brought over to the courthouse for tomorrow and everything like that? And
Oh, I mean, if we can do jail court, the next jail court setting.
let me do this.